Welcome back in this new release. We discover which is the complete Tecnofar technological offer, but now it is important to understand how to select the product. As anticipated, you can select among welded, outer diameter drawn tubes or outer inner diameter drawn tubes. So, which could be one criterion? Is the thickness of the welded bead internally admitted? If so, TIG welded tubes can be a solution. In case of no strict tolerances on the outer diameter, TIG welded tube is the right product for you. But in case you need to calibrate the outside diameter, tube sinking will be applied. So you need to have outer diameter drawn tube. In case the thickness, for example because you have an assembly, of the welding bead is not meted, you need to have mandrel or floating plug drawn tube, so ODID drawn tube. Then you can select of course the type of product, coil or bar, and also the supply condition, annealed or hard. About our product, we are able to design properly the technological process so that we can reach the desired level of mechanical strength. You can also have a particular finishing as drawn, if no particular requirements are necessary, ground or debarred. If you have other requests, remember that Tecnofar customizes completely your product. All these elements can be applied also in case of seamless tube applications. But let's see an example to be more clear. You have, for example, to order a tube in 3 or 4, so austenitic stainless steel, with an outside diameter of 8 mm and a thickness of 0.5, supplied as coil in annealed condition. If you do not have any particular requirements about the welding bead, so inner welding bead is accepted, and tolerances are not so tight, for example 0.15 on the side diameter and plus minus 10% on the thickness, TIG welded tube is the right product for you. In case the welded bead is accepted and you have the same tolerance on the thickness, but tighter tolerances on the outer diameter, tube sinking has to be applied, so outer diameter drawn tube. But in case you have both strict tolerance on the outer diameter on the thickness, you need to have ODID drawn tube, so floating plug or mandrel drawing has to be applied. This one was our last technical release, but I'll wait for you in the next video for the closure.